And next felicitation will be to Shri M.P. Topper, Director of Mineral Resources, Government of Meghalaya. And next felicitation will be to Shri John F. Harshieng, the Working President of the MSOA. We will now felicitate Shri Landu Jamir Ignatius, who is the advisor of the MSOA. May I now invite Ms. Shri Vikram Malik, the co-founder of Skotal Himpan. Thank you very much, sir, for joining us. We will now felicitate Shri Robert Gavas, who is the Olympian, silver medalist of the 1984 Olympic. We also have in our midst Shri Donald Rambai, the President of the MWA. Please come forward. I will now invite Mr. Doljit Morwa and Mr. Ashim Datta, who is the official judges for today's event. Mr. Ashim Datta, please come forward. I will now invite the representative from the District Empowerment of Women to kindly come forward and receive the memento of appreciation. We are very, very encouraged to have in our midst Mr. Gary Sama, the General Secretary of the West Garo Hills Weightlifting Association. Please come forward. May I now invite Mr. Bats Kambasayoman, the General Secretary of the Meghalaya Weightlifting Association. May I now invite Mr. F. Harwatlam, the Vice President of the Meghalaya Weightlifting Association. May I now invite Mr. Frank Kupar Saumi, the Publicity Secretary of the MWA. May I now call upon Mr. Oberlan Komni, the Assistant Secretary of the MWA. Last but not least, may I now call upon Mr. Bhalang Sumer, the President of the West Jaintia Weightlifting Association. Thank you very much.